Thank you, Your Majesty. I'd like to maybe call on you maybe in the next few weeks, if possible.
Ahlan wa sahlan, and when the time is right, I want to come and visit you and congratulate you in person. I am so happy for you, and I know that your country needs you, has needed you for a long time, and I couldn't be prouder of my friend.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. I really value your friendship, and I hope to see you as soon as possible.
At any time, at anything you need,
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. I look forward to see you again.
Well,
I have fond memories.
I think please call me Abdullah.
I have fond memories of Aman. Fond memories of Aman.
I have fond memories of you too, my dear friend, and I'm so hearing your voice today put me in a very good mood. Thank you so much.
My best regards to Her Majesty. My best regards to